Hello friends, this is Sai Fenendra from SQL School, and I assure you complete practice-oriented classes from scratch, right from the basics. This particular short video is about Cloud Data Engineer, combination of SQL, Azure Data Engineering, and Snowflake technologies combined together in a meaningful way. In any enterprise BI platform or BI application, we have the birthplace of data, database, to store live real-time data. Then comes warehouse to store cold, historical, aggregated data. Then comes analytics for end user reports, dashboards, and analysis activities. Our cloud BI course involves multi-level, scalable solutions to this entire architecture from top to bottom. First, to start with, what is data engineering? A prominent job role responsible for design of warehouse, extraction, cleansing, transformation, storage, security, and optimizations. We involve in storage, big and small, usually big data, ETL, and end-to-end integration activities. On the other hand, what about Snowflake? It's a platform, a data warehousing platform, open source environment to store any type of data, any amount of data. Now comes component comparison. Data engineer involves ETL components, data warehouse components, big data, and analysis components. Technologies involve data factory, Databricks, Synapse, and data lake. Scripting components involve Spark, Python, Spark SQL, PySpark, Scala, and more. Whereas Snowflake, the actual implementations involve ETL and data warehousing only, extract, transform, load, ETL and data warehousing. No rich analytics that we usually experience or enjoy in Azure data engineering technologies. We don't have it in Snowflake. Snowflake involves Snowpark and SnowSQL. Snowpark is a combination of Snowflake and PySpark. If it is data engineer, yes, we have more number of components. The other level of comparisons. Data engineer involves data factory, SQL pool, Databricks, Spark database. Top you see ETL and down you see warehouse, open source and Microsoft. And the bridging agent Synapse with Scala, PySpark, Transact SQL scripting technologies. In Snowflake, we have SnowSQL and Snowpark scripting technologies with a single data warehouse flavor. Now the question, when to use which? Answer, we need to use them together. Yes, Snowflake has its own beauty when it comes to unlimited amount of data to be stored in a warehouse at cheaper rate. Yes, the hosting cost of Snowflake is very low as compared to the Azure data engineering or even AWS data engineering technologies. But at the same time, flexibility wise, Azure and AWS data engineering has more flexibility in terms of colorful, easy to use ETL, analytics, dashboarding, and in fact, like incremental loads, data cleansing, data deduplications, and a lot of flexibility. So if I were in your place, I would choose both data engineering and Snowflake combined together. With this information, our classes would be completely into practice zone. From scratch, right from the basics, either you go for data engineering or you go for the Snowflake. This is Snowflake content. Let's have a quick view on our notes. The core data engineering involves data factory, Synapse, stream analytics, PySpark, Spark, Databricks, data lake, lakehouse, one lake concepts. I assure you complete step-by-step practice with DP203 complete guidance part of our course. Complete DP203 guidance part of our classes. Same way, when it comes to Snowflake, even there, yes, we have good amount of activities with respect to Snowflake concepts from scratch, right from the basics. We will understanding right from the scratch like Snowflake architecture, big data storage, the main beauty of Snowflake over other data warehouse technologies. Remember, companies prefer Snowflake for warehousing. Companies prefer data engineering for ETL and analytics. So their combination works in a very, very meaningful way. Come on, let's start with SQL first. You're aware of it? Happy. If not, let's get started first with SQL. Then you go for data engineering and then the Snowflake and come out with a meaningful, useful, and unique resume. My complete support for your learning process. Thank you so much and meet you soon, either in person in our Hyderabad office or online. And let's get to work together. Let's enjoy the beauty, the color of Snowflake and data engineering together. My first preference is Azure Data Engineering. Then the second preference, Snowflake. It makes our learning, the understanding part very, very useful and easier to follow. Trust me. Thank you so much and see you soon. Have a nice time. Thank you once again.